Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your LATOKEN account. Signing into LATOKEN.com is a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in LATOKEN.com and press search. Once you end up in the official website for LATOKEN, go ahead and click on the sign up button at the top right corner. You will then see this login or sign up page. Here, you can go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number associated with your LATOKEN account. Enter the same information that you chose while registering for LATOKEN. Since I signed up using my email, I'm going to have to do the same over here. Type in your email address or your phone number associated with your account and click on continue. You will then need to enter your password for your account. If you don't remember your password, click on the forgot password link above the password box and follow through the password reset process. After entering a correct password, if you'd like the system to remember you, check this little remember me on this device option so that you don't have to sign in again and again. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked and click login. And you will be able to log into your LATOKEN.com account within a few seconds. And that's how it's pretty easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.